This is the crunchiest, most addictive Rocky Road Cakesicle you will ever make, and it is super easy to do. Pack your chocolate dough into the mold firmly. Always insert the stick all the way to the top so your Cakesicle stays secure while dipping. For an easy release, use this little cut in the mold slot to pop it out perfectly every single time. Next, we prepare the toppings. I'm using mini marshmallows and chunky Oreos. I prefer to break the Oreos by hand for that nice big chunks. The easiest to melt chocolate is using a microwave, starting with 30 seconds, then 10-second intervals while stirring in between. Your melted chocolate is ready when it has that beautiful shine and a perfectly smooth finish. Dip the Cakesicle all the way up to the stick to fully secure it. As you pull up, make sure to shake off all the excess chocolate by tapping it against the edge of the cup, then gently scrape the back for a clean finish. Have fun with the toppings. Throw in marshmallows and those chunky Oreo. Rugged is the look. It is Rocky Road. You honestly cannot mess this up. Pour the rest of the chocolate into a piping bag and drizzle thin lines all over the top. The more the better.